Ang dami kong nakikitang good reviews ng Urban Chic dito sa may Maginhawa. Pinuntahan namin to one time para i-try yung mga food nila because I heard na napaka-affordable dito. And true enough, nung nakita namin ang menu nila, nagulat kami sa sobrang mura ng mga food options. Pause yun lang if you wanted to see. Sulit na talaga kasi may kasamang iced tea in order namin. So first, we got pesto cream pasta for 149. Medyo matigas na yung pasta kaya 2 subo lang. Umorder din kami ng grilled chops for 159. And I would say sobrang okay naman ito. The flavors are good kaya 3 subo. My friend Mon got the Brandes Original Fried Chicken for 159. Napakalaki ng serving at okay naman yung flavors din kaya bibigyan natin to ng 4 na subo. Itong next one is bestseller nila yung overstuffed chicken burger for 265. The chicken is also huge and malambot yung tinapay pero normal lang so 3 subo. As for the drinks, I would say skip it na lang. Yung milkshake umorder kami pati yung choco shake na 145 na medyo watered down na. Overall, wala namang very special dun sa food nila. Pero I say if you compare it to the price point, talagang napakasulit. Kaya bibigyan natin sila ng 3 subo. This is our total bill and follow us for more food and travel adventures. Yun lang, bye!